chemtrail clouds. Old guy. Look at all the people. And while the little children sing a song called "Open My Eyes, Lord," they're singing it at the picnic while breathing aluminum oxide, barium, and strontium, because this is all chemtrail haze. And if you tell these people, they wouldn't believe you or they wouldn't understand what it means. I've been trying. Some people do. But, yeah. What do you think, Jim? I wish the Lord would open their eyes. They only look, and they only need to look any farther than right there. They just need to look at that. I wish the Lord would open their eyes so they'd see that. Then they'd realize that their TV lies constantly and their politicians are all pretend. And that evil is ruling the world while they sleep.